about music.
Money in stocks, that's what I'm talking about. Equity and real estate's what I'm talking about. Perfecting the game, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So what we talking about?
In the spirit of making this year better than last year, your boy Nigel is going to help y'all out, putting together a couple quick videos with some tips and tricks on how to reach the goals that you set to achieve. First things first is set a goal, whether it's to purchase a house, save money, invest in stocks, or create a savings account. Whatever it may be, I got an answer for you. I'm not saying I'm the expert, but I'm not going to tell you to do something that I have not already done. As most of you know, I'm in real estate and mortgage business, and there's a lot of ways that you can achieve your goals. It's just about baby steps. My entire goal for even being online these days is to help my people achieve the goals, whether it's financial freedom or staying married, whatever it is, and any type of life advice that I can give. I'm here for you, and I want to grow myself. So by getting your questions and answering your questions, your boy will also grow. First things first, been getting a lot of questions about investing in stocks in particular. I'm no stock market expert. I'm not a day trader. I mainly stick with real estate investment stuff, but I do dabble a little bit. Cryptocurrency is huge right now. My boy Theo has helped educate me and put me up on game. So I will kind of give you a few tips about investing. But my first tip would be, if you have debt that you haven't paid off, I would recommend paying off that debt. That is a huge investment. It'll also help your credit score if you're trying to achieve other things like purchase your first home or your second home or refinance your current mortgage. And I know that sounds kind of silly to say, hey, we're talking about investing right now, and what are you talking about, paying off debt? When someone comes to me and says, hey, Nige, I got $1,200 and what should I invest in? I really don't have a exact answer. I do invest, if you're talking about stocks, in ETFs. There's a whole laundry list of those that I will not get into right now, but I would say make sure that you pay off your debt before you start investing, because you're going to have more income after you've paid off your debt to actually invest. I'm going to keep these videos short and sweet, and we'll move on to the next. If you have another question or a suggestion for a video, I would love to do a specific video for your questions. I'll be looking forward to those in the comments. Please leave them below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I hope that you feel comfortable enough to send me those messages so I can help educate myself as well as you guys. It's your boy Nige, and we making moves, baby. It's 2021.
Yeah, baby, I need cash. No checks.